Okay, so I got one of those Razer microphones. It was about $50. I think it's called a Razer Seiren Mini, and it was just announced. So I got one of those because I wanted to do some live streaming. I wanted to do some more higher quality videos where I'm like a narrator or something like that. So I'll be unboxing that really soon. I ordered it on Amazon, so it should be here in about an hour. So I'm excited to unbox that for you, and I hope you stay along for the rest of the video. Please leave a comment and a like below. Thank you for watching. Okay, so I received the package, so let's just... Ow, crap. I made myself bleed. Crap, I'm bleeding. Ow. So, yeah, I cut myself. Let's just keep going. That's a lot. Okay, so get rid of that. Alright, so this is this Razer Seiren Mini. I showed it to you before I showed it to myself. So it's a split broadcaster. It works with OBS software. It's ultra precise with a super cardio. It focuses the audio towards you when you're like on here. Let's unbox it. Alright, so where do we open it? Don't want to cut myself again. Goodness, there we go. Here. Gotta be careful with my fingernails. Don't have a knife because I already cut myself with my fingernail. I don't need a knife. So we got the mic here. I believe this is something else that's round and spherical in nature. Got the mic here. Here's the mic. I'm gonna leave that here. And then it should come off a stand. And then it also has a micro USB cable that comes with it. I can't really see myself. Alright, so there it goes. I guess this goes in here. And this is my new mic setup. I'll be live streaming on Twitch, and I'll be using this for videos, and this is just gonna up the quality of my videos and of my live streams. I only did one live stream to test out live streaming for the first time, and then now I'm gonna show you how this all works together. I'm excited to get into this. My finger feels all weird, but that's not something you need to worry about because it's my fault. I cut myself. But I'll be testing this out and giving you guys my full thoughts on it. Okay guys, I just want to show you guys how the mic is working and how it's figuring it out, because I just plugged into my computer. I did a little Twitch live stream to just check it out and see how's it running and everything. So I'm gonna start recording now so I can show you how this mic is sounding. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is how the mic is sounding right now. I have it this farther away from me. So it's supposed to be not omnidirectional mic, so it's not supposed to get audio from like back here or something like that. It's still gonna pick up sound, but it's not gonna be as loud as it is when it's in front. So that should be good for me Wait a second. Oh, I had it kind of facing the wrong way, but now it should have some really good audio quality, and I'm really excited to use this for more of my videos and get up real close and make it sound all nice and everything. I'm really excited for what I can do with this for live streaming and making more video content and everything. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Maybe I'll review this microphone. I'll be making more video game videos. I'll be making like video game news videos. I'll be making and different types of lifestyle videos that I want to make. And I hope you enjoy those as they come to you. And thank you very much for watching. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And that is the end of the video. Bye! Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. That is the end of the video. So, this is the mic. It's sounding pretty good. I am recording on OBS. Yes. And I hope you're having